Hi, my name is Fit Guy Jimmy, and these are 5 tasty healthy lunch ideas that will truly keep you full until dinner. Roasted cauliflower pizza. This 5-ingredient recipe is much healthier than a greasy slice from your local takeout joint. Directions. Heat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Dust baking sheet with cornmeal. Shape pizza dough into 16-inch oval and place on prepared sheet. Toss, in large bowl, cauliflower, red onion and fresh flat-leaf parsley leaves with olive oil, crushed red pepper and salt. Fold in Gruyère cheese. Scatter vegetable mixture over dough. Bake until cauliflower is tender and crust is golden brown and crisp, 20 to 25 minutes. Done. You will find all ingredients in the recipe in the description. Chicken and red plum salad. Since plum season doesn't last forever, make the most of it by throwing a few charred plums atop a bed of grilled chicken and greens. Directions. Heat grill to medium. Rub the chicken with 1 teaspoon olive oil and season with 1/4 teaspoon each salt and pepper. In large bowl, toss red plums with 1 tablespoon oil and 1/4 teaspoon each salt and pepper. Grill chicken until cooked through, 5 to 7 minutes per side. Transfer to cutting board and let rest 5 minutes before slicing. Add plums to grill and cook until just charred, 2 to 3 minutes per side. Return to bowl and toss with remaining 1 tablespoon oil and scallions. Add chicken, and any juices, to bowl, and toss to combine. Fold in arugula, dill, and almonds. Done. You will find all the ingredients in the recipe in the description. Sheet pan chickpea chicken. We bet when you reheat this spicy 5-ingredient dish, your coworkers will ask what you're eating. See for yourself. Directions. Heat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. On large rimmed baking sheet, toss chickpeas and peppers with 1 tablespoon oil, 1/4 teaspoon each salt and pepper. In small bowl, whisk together harissa and 1 tablespoon oil. Rub chicken with harissa mixture. Nestle among chickpeas and peppers and roast until chicken is golden brown and cook through, 20 to 25 minutes. Toss with cilantro before serving. Done. Find all the ingredients in the recipe in the description. Crispy tofu bowl. We can't decide what we love more about this dish, the extra crispy tofu or the hot Thai chili sauce that's drizzled on top. In any case, it's all delicious. Directions. Slice tofu 1/4 inch thick. Place on cutting board between paper towels, top with baking sheet. Top with large cans or other weight, let stand 10 minutes. Soak red onion in cold water. Whisk red wine vinegar and Thai sweet chili sauce, olive oil and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Pat onion dry, toss with half of vinaigrette and cucumber. Sprinkle tofu on both sides with cornstarch. In 12-inch skillet, heat vegetable oil on medium-high until hot. Carefully add tofu. Cook until deep golden brown, 2 to 3 minutes per side. Drain on paper towels. Divide quinoa among 4 bowls. Top each with salad, roasted cashew halves, parsley leaves and tofu. Done. Find all the ingredients in the recipe in the description. Summer tuna salad with sweet potato and basil. Grill some sweet potatoes. Then, toss with tuna, black-eyed peas, and carrots to make this super satisfying salad. Directions. Microwave sweet potatoes in water, covered, on high 8 minutes, then drain. Brush potatoes with canola oil, sprinkle with salt and pepper. Grill on medium-high 10 to 15 minutes, turning once. Cut into chunks. In large bowl toss black-eyed peas, oil-packed tuna, carrots, cider vinegar, basil, 2 tablespoons canola oil, and salt. Fold in potatoes. Done. Find all the ingredients in the recipe in the description. Delicious, nutritious, and easy to make lunches are possible. Pick your favorite dish and comment down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.